Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to remove your phone number from your Google account. So go to google.com, sign into your Google account, click on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then after, you need to select the option of manage your Google account, which will take you to a new page. On the left side, select security and sign in. And scroll down, there you'll see the option of recovery phone. Go ahead and select it. You may need to enter your password to sign in again. And once signed in, you'll get the option of edit and delete, which is bin icon. So you can go ahead and replace your phone number by clicking on this edit icon right here. Remove the previous number and add a new one to your account. Or you can click on this bin icon right here to delete it. Click on remove number and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.